So to make Pudina chutney, first you need some coconut. Oops. Well, there you go. You have coconut ready. And let me pick up some fresh homegrown pudina leaves. Wash it nicely and put it in the jar. And then you would need some roasted gram, and take 2 small green chillies and a small piece of tamarind, some ginger, then add some water according to the thickness you would need. Finally, I am adding some salt. Let's grind them all. Okay, I have made it little thick because that is how I like it. But if you like it to be little watery, then add some water and grind it again and check the salt. And that's it, you're done. Well, Rakesh is making some really yummy dosa. I can't wait to try this. Yay, there you go. My morning breakfast can't get better than this. Also, considering the health benefits of pudina, one should consume this very often. Okay guys, this was really yummy and tasty. Hope you liked it and hope you also try this at your home. Let me know. Thank you.